Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect GameSir Game G7 SE to iPad. First, remember that GameSir G7 SE is a wired controller, so it connects to the iPad using a cable, not a Bluetooth. If your iPad has a USB-C port, you will need a USB-C to USB adapter. If it has a Lightning port, use a Lightning to USB adapter. After putting a Lightning to USB adapter, plug the controller to USB cable into the adapter, then connect the adapter to your iPad. This controller should turn on automatically. After that, open a game that supports controller like a Apple iPad title or another compatible game. Use the button to check if it's wrong. If needed, open the setting on your iPad. Go to General and check the gaming control option to adjust control. And that's it. That's all for this video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.